See, we have Nkunku. Some people are saying he is a striker. Some people are saying he is not. We have Jackson as a striker. We have McGew as a striker. We have Kellyman as a striker. 4 strikers. But do you know why? They are average. They are not up to the standard. And now, we are going to bring in another unproven player, unproven striker, to just add to these chaffs, to just add to this one numbers. For me, I think if Chelsea will go and sign Delap and will not bring us any experienced striker, then Chelsea should just stop signing us a striker. Let's maintain with our Zuku, our Nicola Jackson. Let's stay with our because we are sick and tired of this thing. We are hearing that rumors, that information from opposition fans. 1.5 billion spent. You can't compete. You can't do that. No. We don't want to go to another window, spending another 1 billion. At the end of the day, we don't have anything to show. Any team or any good team who knows how to do business, if you spend even 500, 700, you should have something to show for it. Be it a trophy or a good football or competitive football, competitive team or strong team. And this our Chelsea team, 1.5 billion spent. We don't have a goalkeeper. 1.5 billion spent. We don't have a reliable defense. 1.5 billion spent. Midfield so far so good. Casado and Lavia, they are doing 1.5 billion spent. No striker. Nothing to show. So we don't want to go to another summer spending another billions. At the end of the day, nothing to show. So just going to sign another unproven striker like Liam Delap. No. Yes. In fact, guys, in economics, we have something we call price as an indicator of quality. Price as an indicator of what? Quality. Yes. The price of a certain commodity show its quality. The higher the price, the higher the what? The quality. The lower the price, the lower the what? The quality. When we come to football, it apply. When we come to football, especially strikers, it apply. You can't compare 30 goals per season striker to 17 goals. No, not 17. 9 goals, 10 goals. Because this season, as we are speaking now, Delap scored 12 goals overall. 12 goals. Jackson also scored 12 goals overall, all competition. So, some of us, we can't even spot the difference between Liam Delap and what? And Jackson. So, we have price as an indicator of quality. If you want a good striker, a clinical striker, you have to pay more. Forget, as I said, in football, it applies. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy, Richmond. In fact, guys, Chelsea target Liam Delap, AC Town striker, England international. Liam Delap is heading towards Manchester United. Or Manchester United are now the favorite to sign him. Information says so. And initially, Chelsea also interested to sign him. And even as we are speaking now, Delap had a release clause of 30 million. Yes, as Ipswich Town went on relegated, now his release clause has been activated. And any team who want to sign him have to go and pay the release clause, the 30 million. And information said that now he is heading towards joining Manchester United. And this is because United are now in the Europa League final. And if they win it, they will be playing Champions League football next season. For that matter, Liam Delap wants to join Champions League team. He wants to join Champions League team. So Manchester United are now the favorite to sign him. And as we knew that, Chelsea also interested to sign him. Yes. And this is the reason why Chelsea want to sign him. Because we have so many strikers in the market. Victor Gyorkeres, Osimhen, Isak, Sesko, so many strikers. We'll come to those strikers. We'll talk about them. So please continue watching this video till the end. And don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. Guys, these are the 2 reasons why Chelsea want to sign Liam Delap. First, he will fit into our wage cap. Liam Delap will fit into Chelsea wage cap. Chelsea, we are not paying higher wages when Chelsea is signing you at first place, unless you come and prove it. So let's say if Chelsea will sign him, Chelsea can decide to give him £90,000 a week, or 80,000 or 100,000, but not more than 150. So that wage cap, Delap will fit into it. Delap wage will be compatible with our wage gap. One of the reasons why Chelsea want to sign him. Yes. And the second reason is data-driven analysis from Chelsea, or data-driven technique, or data-driven analysis. In other words, his potentials. He is young, so he had the capability to develop. He still has future ahead of him to develop, to play more football, to become one of the best strikers in the world. Data-driven technique or data-driven analysis. These are the two reasons why Chelsea want to sign Liam Delap. And fine, we understand, yes, because of the wage gap, this time around PSR rule, we have to be spending wisely, and yes, we have to sign a player based on potential. We understood Chelsea, Todd Bowley, Eric Bailly, Chelsea fans, we say, okay, we're here. But guys, see, Chelsea is a competitive team. I keep on saying it, and I will never stop saying it, because that is a reality. That is a truth. Chelsea is not a mid-table team. Chelsea is not a bottling team. Chelsea is not a participating team. Chelsea is a competing team. Chelsea is a big team. Chelsea is a title-winning team. That is why some of us were supporting Chelsea. We saw Chelsea as a big entity. We saw Chelsea as challengers. We saw Chelsea as those who are winners. That is why Chelsea have fans today. So many fans across the globe today. Yes, so we can't stop that. And that culture, that tradition must continue. And can that happen with developing players only in Chelsea team? Can that happen with only young teenagers in Chelsea team? No. The way we understood football, young chaffs, young players only can compete. If you want to compete, but if you want to stay in the league, they can do it. But as I said, we are not a mid-table team or bottlers. No. So if we want to compete, whether we like it or not, whether raining or shining, we have to balance the squad. Chelsea have to balance it. See, especially when we come to the striking position, forget. We have to get a 30-goal striker. 30 goals per season striker. Forget. I can tell you that both home and away of this season, Chelsea, Manchester City, against City, we lost those two games because of what? City having a striker. City having a clinical striker. If you go and watch those games, they didn't outplay us. But when it's time for their striker to do the work, he do it better. When it's time for their striker to convert their chances, he convert those chances. He score his goals. So you need strikers. You need a clinical striker as a big team. You need experienced striker as a big team. You need 30 goals striker in a season as a big team. Forget. And Liam Delap, I'm not saying he's bad. I'm not saying Chelsea should not sign him. But what I'm trying to say is that even if Chelsea will sign Delap, I still want my experienced striker. I still want my proven striker. I still want my 30 goals per season striker. And Chelsea should go and sign their Delap. We have so many strikers in Chelsea team as we are speaking now, but they can't do the work. See, we have Nkunku. Some people are saying he is a striker. Some people are saying he is not. We have Jackson as a striker. We have McGew as a striker. We have Kellyman as a striker. 4 strikers. But do you know why? They are average. They are not up to the standard. And now, we are going to bring in another unproven player, unproven striker, to just add to these chaffs, to just add to these numbers. For me, I think if Chelsea will go and sign Delap and will not bring us any experienced striker, then Chelsea should just stop signing us a striker. Let's maintain with our Zuku, our Nicola Jackson. Let's stay with our because we are sick and tired of this thing. We are hearing that rumors, that information from opposition fans. 1.5 billion spent. You can't compete. You can't do that. No. We don't want to go to another window, spending another 1 billion. At the end of the day, we don't have anything to show. Any team or any good team who knows how to do business, if you spend even 500, 700, you should have something to show for it. Be it a trophy or a good football or competitive football, competitive team or strong team. And this our Chelsea team, 1.5 billion spent. We don't have a goalkeeper. 1.5 billion spent. We don't have a reliable defense. 1.5 billion spent. Midfield so far so good. Casado and Lavia, they are doing 1.5 billion spent. No striker. Nothing to show. So we don't want to go to another summer spending another billions. At the end of the day, nothing to show. So just going to sign another unproven striker like Liam Delap. No. No. Even if Chelsea will bring him as asset, Chelsea should go back and sign as experienced striker. Yes. In fact, guys, in economics, we have something we call price as an indicator of quality. Price as an indicator of what? Quality. Yes. The price of a certain commodity show its quality. The higher the price, the higher the what? The quality. The lower the price, the lower the what? The quality. When we come to football, it apply. When we come to football, especially strikers, it apply. You can't compare 30 goals per season striker to 17 goals. No, not 17. 9 goals, 10 goals. Because this season, as we are speaking now, Delap scored 12 goals overall. 12 goals. Jackson also scored 12 goals overall, all competition. So, some of us, we can't even spot the difference between Liam Delap and what? And Jackson. So, we have price as an indicator of quality. If you want a good striker, a clinical striker, you have to pay more. Forget, as I said, in football, it applied. Just how much do you sign Cole Palmer? Almost 30 something to 40 million. But today, Cole Palmer played to prove his qualities. Cole Palmer played to improve and increase his abilities. Now, the world saw that Cole Palmer is a fantastic player. If we are selling Cole Palmer today, are we selling him 50 million again, or that 40 or 30 million we sell? No. Because he now had the quality. Just how much do we sign Caicedo? 150 million. But Caicedo came and proved it that he had the quality. He showed it in a big stages, big team like Chelsea. If Chelsea were selling Caicedo today, are we selling him 150 million again? No. Now he has proven his quality. Same apply to what? Cucurella. They have proven their qualities. So if you want a quality player, a quality striker, you have to pay more. Forget about lower wages. When it comes to players who can do it for you, who can win you titles, who can give you goals, you have to pay. Because this kind of strikers, other teams want them. The way you want to use them or buy them, the same your big teams, other qualities want to sign them. So there's competition. This kind of strikers, they have options. In fact, guys, this season, Osimhen scored 33 goals. This season, in all competition, Osimhen scored 33 goals. So far, yes, this season. And Isak, in the Premier League, Newcastle, he scored 27 goals. Isak scored 27 goals. Victor Gyorkeres, he scored 52 goals in all competition this season. Look at all these three strikers. None of them score less than 15 goals or less than 20 goals. So this kind of strikers, you want them to come to your team and you give them £90,000 a week. Are you normal? Are you okay? No, it can't happen. Guys, let's be honest. It can't happen. And Chelsea is a big team. You have to pay more. Forget about that weight gap. They should break it. No. Then they can't handle a big team like Chelsea. No. Someone has scored 52 goals. Someone has scored 27 goals. Someone has scored 33 goals. You want to sign that striker with a lower wages? No, it can't happen. No, it can't just happen. Price as an indicator of quality when it comes to players. You have to pay more. So, guys, Chelsea interested to sign Liam Delap. And as we are speaking now, it seems he is heading to Manchester United. Yes, United is the favorite team to sign Delap. Yes, because they may get Champions League next season. And Chelsea, it seems our Champions League is still in doubt. So he won a Champions League team. Not bad. That is his choice. Yes, everybody entitled to what? His choice. You have the decision, the right to make any choice that you want. But as a Chelsea fan, I want a proven striker. I want Isak. I want Victor Gyorkeres. I want Victor Osimhen. And let me give you 3 reasons why we need a proven striker. 3 reasons why we need experienced strikers like Victor Osimhen, Victor Gyorkeres, and Alexander Isak. Number 1, guys, you see these kind of strikers, they win you games you don't even deserve to win. Proven strikers, see, we'll go to some games, you just need that typical number 9 to give you that goal. Because not every day you can play well as a team. Not every day you can play to your tactics or your style. Some days you just need to score your goals and manage the game and go home with what? Your 3 points. So having a proven striker You win games that you don't even deserve to win. And as a big team, if you want to win titles, some games, that is how you should play it. Just make sure that at the end of the day, you win. Football play 90 minutes, not 24 hours. When the 90 minutes is up, you send your 3 points away, you send your wins away. And if you don't have a clinical striker, it will be very, very difficult. I'm telling you, as I mentioned, Haaland, upon our 2 legs, they were having Haaland. City did not outplay Chelsea. Even when we come to Liverpool, they were having that clinical wingers, Salah and co. Yes, when you look at the 2 times, they didn't outplay Chelsea. The first league, Liverpool, we played very well, we dominated, but we were not having that typical number 9 to win us that game. So that is what I'm saying. When you have a striker, a clinical striker, he give you results. He give you 3 points. He give you wins. He give you trophies that you don't even deserve. Or on that day, it wasn't your day, but because you having a striker, yes, he made it for you. He did it for you. So first reason why any team or Chelsea, we need experienced striker. And the third reason why we need experienced striker, guys. See, when you have a striker who is scoring, giving you goals, it elevates. Yes, it brings out the best of other attackers. The other attackers you have in your team also come to alive, also start scoring. When the season started, Jackson was scoring goals. To some extent, Palmer was scoring. To some extent, Madueke was scoring. To some extent, Sancho also started scoring. That is what I'm talking about, guys. When you have a scoring striker, a clinical striker, it helps, yes, the other attackers, yes, to ease the pressure from them, because you have someone who can score that goals and give you that comfortabilities to think. No pressure on other attackers. So for that matter, it brings them into the game. After easing that pressure, they will also start scoring. So it will come to a time that in a team, you can have so many scorers. You can have at least 3 to 4 players giving you the goals. When you have a clinical striker, as I said, when we started the season, Jackson was scoring, Palmer was scoring, Madueke, yes, Sancho, Neto, everybody was scoring because our striker was scoring. So when you have a clinical striker, it helps your other attackers, other players to come to what? Alive. Yes. Also start scoring, giving you the results. I'm telling you. So these are the reasons why we need experienced striker in this Chelsea team. Yes. Winning you intense games, yes, giving you results. Some games that you didn't even play well, at the end of the day, because you have a proven striker, a clinical striker, you are winning that game. And you also bring your attackers, yes, to alive. Other players in your attacks started scoring. So guys, no matter how the situation, this owners, they must listen and balance the squad. Chelsea, we need experienced striker. We need experienced striker. It's okay. Enough is enough. And proven strikers, it's okay. Liam Delap is good. But as we are speaking now, the Chelsea we have now, we don't need someone like Liam Delap. Not only Liam Delap, for me, I'm talking who. Any striker Chelsea will bring who is unproven, we don't need him. We need proven strikers. We need proven strikers. So guys, that is the information for Liam Delap. He wants to join Champions League team. And as we are speaking now, Manchester United are in the final, Europa League final, and if they win next season, they will be playing Champions League. So he wants to join what? Champions League team. So maybe they are thinking chance we are not making top 4, but we are making top 4. They should wait and see. Next season we are playing champions. Forget. You can come back to this video. I'm telling you that yes, we are in that intense situation, pressure situation, but this is Chelsea. We are Chelsea. The tradition hasn't gone. We know Todd Bowley and co tried to damage or throw it away, but actually we are still Chelsea. Because I was a Chelsea fan under Abramovich. Up to now, I'm a Chelsea fan. You were a Chelsea fan under Abramovich. Up to now, we are still a Chelsea fan. What changed? Nothing changed. We will come back. Chelsea is coming back, ladies and gentlemen. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more people on the YouTube algorithm. And today I'll give you another video. Yes, I talk about Nicola Jackson, yes, Enzo Maresca and Robert Sanchez. That video is here. Please click to enjoy them. Take care. Peace.